Hello, I'm Dr. Karthik. I'm a consultant physician at Narayana Health, HSL at Bangalore. Today I'll be talking about post-COVID, how to approach, what are the things to watch out for, and when you can possibly take the vaccine after COVID. So once you've recovered from COVID, there are a few things that you have to continuously watch out for. Few of the things as a complication what we see after COVID would be a fungal sinusitis, where you may develop a pain in the head. It may be in the sinus areas, as well as you may have pain in the eye. So these may possibly indicate a mucormycosis, as we all know, as a black fungus. So the complication of this is very high, and it has to be treated early to have an optimum outcome. Hence, if you notice any pain in the eyes, if you notice any pain in the face, any severe pain in your head, not responding to medications, it's about time that you meet with the doctor and get that evaluated. Second complication what we see post-COVID is a tendency to cause blood clots. As we know, post-COVID, the tendency to cause blood clot formation is very high. So the clot can appear anywhere in your body. It may happen in the legs, causing something called as a deep vein thrombosis. It can happen in the heart, can cause heart attacks. It can cause embolism in the lungs, causing pulmonary embolism. It can cause clots in the brain, something called as a cerebral venous thrombosis. So if you notice any abnormal symptoms, any leg swelling, breathing difficulty, difficulty to do your routine activities, if you notice very severe headache, blurry vision, vomiting continuously, these are all possibilities of a clot in your body. If you notice any of these, it's again, you have to meet with the doctor to get that evaluated. The third thing what we are seeing nowadays is post-COVID fibrosis of the lungs, where because of the lung damage after COVID, the lungs undergo something called as a fibrotic changes, which actually reduce the function of the lungs over a long period of time. So the symptoms of lung fibrosis would be basically breathing difficulty and unable to do your routine activities. Suppose you climb one flight of stairs, you start noticing breathing difficulty. If you just go for a walk, just buy your groceries, you can see that there could be a shortness of breath or unable to do, you take a longer time to recover. So these could be signs of pulmonary fibrosis. Again, if you notice any of these symptoms, it's always better to get it evaluated. And as a protocol, it's always better to check with the doctor after 1 month after recovery from your COVID. So once you recover from COVID, if you have still not yet taken any vaccine, you can take the vaccine after, usually we say after 2 to 3 months after recovery from the COVID. So again, the 2 doses are essential. If you have already taken 1 dose, you can take the second dose after recovery of COVID as well. Thank you.